viewers. Thank you for watching Music and Me with Anuradha. I'm Anuradha, and please don't forget to subscribe and watch the videos and share the link with your friends and family. So look out for some different videos this year. This week we celebrate the lyricist Vairamuthu. Now Vairamuthu has written so many songs, and it was really difficult to pick just 3. Today's song is from the 1984 release Naan Paadum Paadal. The song is Padava Un Paadale, which was a tandem song. Naan Paadum Paadal starred Mohan, Shivakumar and Ambika. Ambika plays a singer who is married to Mohan, and then Mohan dies, and then she meets Shivakumar, and there is an indication of a possible relationship there, of a possible marriage there. The idea for this came to the director R. Sundarajan from a true incident, and incidentally they were toying with 2 endings to the movie. Obviously, one where she marries Shivakumar and the other where she doesn't. And finally, it was the music director, Ilayaraja, who decided which ending would be more appropriate for the movie. A very interesting snippet about this movie. For the climax scene, Ambika's makeup was done by none other than Shivakumar himself.
உறவாட வேண்டும் இளைவா